In the previous lesson, we looked at conversion triggering and loyalty building tactics to use on social media. In this lesson, we end the course by looking at the FEARS, F-E-A-R-S framework. You can use this to manage and resolve negative customer feedback effectively. FEARS or FEARS stands for Find All Mentions, Display Empathy, Answer Publicly, Reply Only Twice, and Switch Channels. Let's talk about the first step in this framework. Find all mentions. This refers to being actively on the lookout for any and all mentions of your brand on social media. Whenever your account is tagged on posts on different social media accounts, you'll be notified of this mention. But what if your user does not tag you? Well, in this case, it will be bad for your brand if a negative mention is not addressed. If you're unaware of the issue, you can't solve it. In this case, you should use social listening tools like Google Alerts, BuzzSumo, or Mention.com to keep track of any mentions of your brand that may be made online. When you are aware of those mentions, especially negative ones, you can then move on to the next step, display empathy. If the customer is aggrieved or frustrated with your brand, whether it's towards the quality of your product or the interface of your website, you should show genuine empathy. When you show that you care, understand, and acknowledge them, you calm their grievances. These can lead to a more favorable outcome. This aligns with the next step in our framework, which is to answer publicly. Don't go straight to a direct message to resolve the matter. Other users will see the lack of a public response to your criticism, and that is not a good thing to see. This will only reflect badly on your brand, so be sure to initially respond publicly where everyone can see. This brings us to the next step, reply only twice. If you cannot resolve the issue in 2 replies, you need to bring the conversation somewhere else, such as through private messaging network. An endless to and fro, a ping pong match between you and your customer is never good on social media. If a customer with complaints is being stubborn in their replies, invite them to drop you a private message so that you can resolve the matter without prying eyes watching. So remember, your initial 2 replies should be public and anything thereafter should be done privately. This brings us to the last step of the FEARS framework, switch channels. If the issue has yet to be resolved or is too complex to resolve through social media, invite them to address their complaints with you through other channels like WhatsApp or Messenger or even face-to-face. For complex situations, you may need sensitive information from your customer. You should avoid exposing such information on public platforms. Use a messaging app to make your customer feel more appreciated. It also helps you to resolve the issue more thoroughly without the prying eyes of the public. While handling customer feedback can sometimes seem overwhelming or frustrating, using the FEARS framework can greatly simplify the process and improve your overall customer experience. With that, we've come to the end of the social media marketing course. Throughout this course, we went through the 6 stages of the social media marketing framework: discover, define, develop, deliver, measure, and manage. Following this framework, you will have equipped yourself with the skills necessary to be a competent social media marketer. I hope you enjoyed your time here and will walk away with a deeper understanding of how social media works. Remember that we have many other digital marketing related courses and resources for you right here at Equinet Academy. Feel free to browse and engage with them. They will certainly change the way you market online. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!